Yo, what is going on, YouTube? We find ourselves here down low by the back of the car because today, as you can tell by the title of the thumbnail, we're gonna be installing the third brake light. Some people call it the F1 brake light. Don't mind the car, it's super dirty. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. It should be really simple. I'm just gonna pop out this clip. Should be 2 pop clips right underneath. We're gonna go ahead and take those off, and then we should be able to get access to pop this plastic cover off, and then we'll see how it is while installing this one in. Let me get started. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with this. The wires are hanging. I'm gonna pop the trunk. And inside, there's some panels. We're gonna have to go ahead and to get access to this one, we're gonna have to take off this one panel that's down here. And then a couple of clips that are holding this one in. And we should get access to the wiring here. I think I'm better off riding it to this light because this is closer and it gives me more room to work with on this side. I mean, they're barely gonna be on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this side together, and then I'm gonna jump over to that side. Yo, YouTube, what is going on? I'm back here. It's a different day. Honestly, this is like, I probably did that last clip, I want to say probably 2 weeks ago. I never actually really got to installing that light because I got busy and I just got lazy as well. And I didn't finish the install, but as you can tell, the light's still there. I've just decided I want to go ahead and do it now. I'm gonna wire it onto the right, the left side. Let's just see how this goes. I guess I'm just gonna give it a go. Pretty much finish it all out because, as you can tell, the light's there. It's literally just the easy work, just wiring it in. And I actually went out and bought some T-taps, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wire it up with T-taps. Should be straightforward. And I run a time lapse.
That's my bad boy.
Alright guys, and I may or may have not uploaded the footage of me wiring it all because I just didn't want to get you guys, make you guys bored and stuff like that. There's not too many videos on this stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of make it a how-to wire because I was having troubles finding it out. But pretty much this white wire right here is going to be my reverse wire. It goes to like the yellow wire with the red stripe. And then, hold on, let me turn up this so you guys can see better. And then as for the green wire, this green wire is gonna be mine on my light. The green wire is gonna be my my daytime running light. So the green wire is gonna go to the black one with the white stripe on the OEM harness, and then the red one is gonna go to the red one on my light is gonna go to the brown on the OEM harness. And then the black is gonna go to the thick black one, and that's obviously the ground. But that's pretty much all of it. It is just trying to help you guys out if you guys ever do this, because there's really no know how-tos on this, how to wire. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all back, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, as you guys can tell, it's finally done. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, show you guys what it looks like. I've kind of already seen it, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, there it is. This one does have the daytime running, the brake light, as well as the reverse light. I don't know what it's gonna be like at nighttime. I hope that it makes a difference when I'm backing up, because you know, more lighting means better vision. So just let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. As well as I'm gonna drop the link to this product down below. I think I bought it on Amazon for right around, I want to say 40 bucks, 45 bucks, compared to other sites where they are 100 bucks, 120 bucks. I'll drop the link to this one. It seems to work fine, just like the other ones.